Ha, ha. Shooba-dooba-dooba-dooba-dooba-dooba. Oi! Arr, arr. Arr. Hey everybody, I'm Jenni Grover Prokopy from chronicbabe.com, and today is another AWAP Wednesday. If you haven't been with us before, AWAP stands for as well as possible, and that's what I wish for you, to live a kick-ass life in spite of illness. That's why I come to you every week with my personal favorite tips and techniques and tools to help you craft an incredible life. Yes, I know that you can. Now, before you do anything else, subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Sometimes when I'm doing my morning yoga, I am hurting. I mean, let's be real, every morning when I do my morning yoga, I am in a lot of pain. This is the thing that I do every day to open myself up, to stretch myself out, to be limber for the day. And in doing so, I often unconsciously make kind of moany, groany sounds as I ease into some of the stretches. Now my beau, Joe, is used to this, and sometimes I feel a little bad because I know I'm moaning and groaning a ton, and occasionally I will kind of apologize for it, and he'll say, babe, don't apologize, you have nothing to apologize for. Sometimes you just gotta make a sound and get it out, release that pain. He is so smart. But sometimes even I am sick of hearing myself moan and groan. And on days when some of my depression wants to kick in on top of the pain and fatigue and everything else I have from fibromyalgia, continually moaning and groaning throughout my morning is just going to exacerbate that. And so it's not a good idea to kind of be making these like bummer sounds, right? So I've come up with a few alternatives that I've been doing lately, and they are totally cracking myself up. So here we go. Okay, these sounds are really simple to make. First, a car horn. Auga! Just picture your favorite cartoon character from the 60s with like the eyes bugging out. Auga! Just imagine shouting that when you're easing into a stretch instead of going auga! Like that's, you can't help but laugh. Okay, next up, karate sounds. Hiya! Just imagine bending over to pick up something heavy and your back twinges a little bit. Normally you might go, oh, instead you go, hiya! Like you're gonna have a laugh. A little hiya can really hit the spot. Okay, finally, try this one on for size. Heyo! This one always makes me laugh. It's a super fun way to greet your friends when you see them on the street too. Heyo! So anytime instead of moaning or groaning this morning, I've been trying to heyo, and it's actually been really helping me. Okay, look, this is obviously just an exercise in silliness, and my weird sounds may not be the weird sounds that you want to make, and you may just think I'm a huge dork.
Yeah, we do all think that.
The point I'm trying to make is that the way we express ourselves matters. If moaning and groaning a little bit as you ease into your morning helps you release pain or stress or discomfort of any kind, then great, express yourself, get it out. But if you are going through your entire day just moaning and groaning and using it as a way to kind of marinate in that pain and discomfort, then that is not necessarily the healthiest for you. I certainly don't want you to pretend that you're not feeling good, but you also don't have to add on top of that and bring everybody else into the picture with you. So learning how to express yourself in different ways can take a little bit of the edge off, can make yourself laugh, and make things just even a little bit better. Make a joyful sound, babe. Or make a fart sound. Or make a karate sound. Just make it fun. thank you for watching today. Do you have a favorite sound you make, something that cracks you up? I would love to know. In fact, I would love to see how you try to spell out some of these sounds. So share your story in the comments below or head over to the blog at chronicbabe.com and join the conversation. I really want to hear what you have to say. If you liked what you saw today, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you never miss another video. In fact, I picked one for you to watch right now. I think you're gonna like it. All right, until we meet again, hey-o! Be AWAP. Mwah.